All right, what's going on, everybody? So today we're going to be replacing the regular lights here on the back of my tour pack. What I have is going to be the Syneticusa. These were gotten off of Amazon, the 1157s, red LED bulbs, and then they're supposed to pulsate when you hit the brakes. So we're going to get right into it and get this tour pack off. All right, I believe this is going to be 3/8. Yeah, so you have the factory bag back here. You just got to loosen up these two little bolts. 3/8 inch socket will get it right off for you. So we're going to loosen up that bottom one as well. As we start pulling on it, it just comes right out. So this whole bag is going to come out. You can pull this up around the little bolts here, and hopefully you can see. You just kind of pull it, and mine has the accessory 12-volt accessory back here too, hanging up on, and you just slowly pull it out, and then it clears. All right, so let me kind of show y'all what it's looking like in here. All right, so in here, you can see the tour pack, all the antennas and everything else ran. This here should have a little tab that you should just pull and twist, and then this light's going to come out. So once this light comes out, we are just going to spin this around and get this out, and we'll be right back. Just squeeze that in and twist that light out. Now we're going to take our LED bulb, kind of do the same thing. It's going to go in and should twist. But there we go. All right, I just had to put a little more oomph in it. And then obviously when it goes back in, it just sits right there. All right, so you can see this is the LED. It's definitely brighter. The regular ones over there are going to do a brake check. They should also flash. And this isn't putting nothing in. This is just putting that bulb in. There you go. And you can see my tail light already flashes. You get one more flash out of that top one, which is about 5, bottom one's 4. So you can see that's a substantial difference. So some people I've heard comment that the LEDs, you can't tell the difference in the brake and the regular light. I mean, it's bright regular, but there is a substantial difference when it's on. So I'm super impressed with it. We're going to go ahead, take this other one out, install this one over here, and I'll be right back. Pop that on out, trying to burn my hand. I will say that putting them in can be a little difficult. There we go. And then we're just going to come up in here and we're going to lock that back in. And just like that, we have them in. So now this is going to be both. Push it back up for y'all so we can see. I'm going to shut the tour pack. And there we go, the LEDs. Now remember, the signals are not on that one. Mine don't do that. But with the brakes, look at that. We get a flash on both sides. And I'm super impressed with that. I mean, like I said, they were like 15 bucks. I mean, so you just put them in, they're LED lights. They're definitely brighter. And, you know, you get that additional flashing when you're hitting the brakes, that strobe function. So I'm really happy with it, $15. If it's something you're interested in, take a look at it. It's definitely brighter. There's no question. And you also get a little bit more by the way that light is. You get a little more on the side as well. Thanks for watching. As always, click like, subscribe. Follow for me for more content. There's going to be a bunch more stuff coming on this bike. I've done a lot of stuff already. Still more I want to do, but I'm going to go over it all So once again, thanks for watching. I'll catch y'all on the next one.